Anyway, so today we are in Istanbul. As you guys probably already know from those shorts I posted, they actually blew up in views. I really appreciate it, thanks a lot. So I thought it would be a good idea to film a video. And when I was just snoozing in a chair because I literally woke up at 12 a.m. today. I'm sleepy still. I just woke up and the first thing I see is an aeroplane. And the aeroplane has a yellow tube connecting it. I thought that it might be for like waste disposal or something like that. But turns out it's actually for fuel. They're filling up the fuel for the airplane. So this is I think it's a Boeing 777, and it is a really massive airplane. So today I'm going to show you guys how these right. Okay, so let's go back on to what I was talking about. So I thought normally these jets, they're not technically jets, but these airplanes have two engines on the top and the bottom. I do not know, but I think that's how it works because it says it's a twin engine jet, and I think that's why two engines. Oh my god, not again. Okay, so now why? Oh my god. Sorry for the noise, but I'm getting a little bit bored. Just waiting for the person to just stop talking. I'm recording a video. Please, yeah, let's go. Oh my. Okay, so she's just doing her job, right? But please, I'm recording a video. Okay, so the difference between those two planes is that one, the Boeing has more seats and it's larger in size. So, and the difference with the Airbus, by the way, that airplane I'm showing you right now is the Airbus A380, I think. It's a Turkish Airlines flight. I just got off one to Istanbul, and yeah, from the Airbus, I think that one's an Indigo flight that I'm waiting to go in like 3 hours. Yep, I'm waiting for 3 hours. It is very boring. I'm getting impatient anyways. So, I think that one's an Indigo flight because it has the signature blue on its wings and engines. And it does kind of look like a flight Indigo would operate. So, yeah. So the Airbus is used for short journeys and the Boeing is used for long journeys. So that's it for today's video, basically. You can look at the fueling for a bit. The Airbus is fueling too. Look. So yeah, bye guys.